after winning the election?
I am actually glad to see the way the people have voted. They have proposed my name. They proposed my name and they've worked for it, and the results are out. That's all.
What was your plan for your ward?
Basically, since I am new and I would like to work with the people that are around. Meaning basically it's their support that has elected me. So listening to their grievances, and I will like to move forward accordingly.
Will you do anything in the MNC? Women. There are so many women candidates as well. Can they do any change in MNC?
Change is such, we will see the number of people coming up actually. So accordingly, we'll see.
As you said, you are new into politics, I would say. So, what do you think? How you are going to go ahead with the social work and politics as well? Because now you'll have to face opposition as well of everything. So how?
I think we will just take one day at a time, rather than rushing forward and getting stressed about it. I think we'll see how it goes.
This Dr. Mushkil Council is reserved for chairperson. Do you stake your claim to be the chairperson?
No, I'm not saying anything. Not as of now. I think the council has to decide, no? So I'm not going to claim for anything.
What would be your priority in?
Basically, as I've said before, it's the people that are there, those that have voted, those that have not voted, they come forward with their own issues and all. Seeing into such issues at first will be my priority, then seeing at a large basically, because they voted for me, no?
पयलीं म्हणजे म्हाजो वॉर्ड लेडीज जातकूच आमची घरची इन्क्लुडींग केल वॉज नॉट इंट्रस्टेड इन कॉन्टेस्टींग. तेजो इंट्रस्टूच नासलो कॉन्टेस्टान. पूण जाता म्हणसर लोक आमचे वाड्याचे वेल विशर्स बी ताका अप्रोच करूंक लागले, ताका कन्विन्स करूंक लागले. आनी कन्विन्स कोत्ता म्हणून एट लास्ट मोमेंट म्हणून चल आपूण फॉर्म भरता. पूण दीस इज माय लास्ट इलेक्शन म्हणून, हेजून आपलें निमाणें इलेक्शन म्हणून, कित्याक आतां लोकां खातीर आपूण फॉर्म भरता. आपल्या पॉलिटिक्सान व्हडलोसो हें ना. एंड शी वॉज ऑल्सो ऑफ द ओपिनियन की फॅमिली जावचें न्ही म्हणून आमीच कित्याक बोन. सो आमी फॉर्म भरचे पयलीं त्या दिसा जेन्ना फॉर्म भरला, आमी लोकांक आमचे जे सगल्यांक वेल विशरांक आफोवन फॉर्म भरचे पयलीं तांकां क्लियर केल्लें की आमच्या वाड्यार फुडल्या इलेक्शनाक आमी कोणूच रावचे ना म्हणून. वी हॅव मेड इट व्हेरी क्लियर. हें आमचें निमाणें. लोकांनी आमकां बरो भशेन सपोर्ट केल्लो. म्हाकाय दिसता की फाटल्या 4 टर्म, दीस इज द 4th टर्म इन रो, म्हाकाय दिसता कोण तरी फुडें नवो भुरगो ह्या नवे भुरगे कोण तरी फुडें सरचे एंड टेक द वॉर्ड फॉरवर्ड. आमचो सपोर्ट, आमचो ब्लेसिंग वील ऑलवेज बी विथ द मेजॉरिटी. कित्याक आतां आमचो टीम जो आहा पळय, वी आर ऑलवेज वर्किंग टुगेदर. सो दॅट वॉज आवर इंट्रस्ट की हें आमचें निमाणें. आनी दीस वॉज हर इनिशिएटीव. आपल्याक इंट्रस्ट नासलें म्हणून, पूण लोक म्हणटा पण फॉर्म भरता हें निमाणें म्हणून, हेजे फुडें कोणान फुडें इंट्रस्ट घेवचो आनी तो वॉर्ड चलोवचो. फूल पळय हांव सद्याक हा भारतीय जनता पार्टीक फाल्यां दिसलें आय एम डिजर्वींग, सो आय वील टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. पार्टी समज ना म्हणीत, आय वील कंटिन्यू टू वर्क इन द पार्टी.